Look upon Shenzhen, China's first special economic zone, a metropolis conjured from fishing village in just 4 decades. It's a glittering monument to technological optimism, a city of glass and algorithm where efficiency is law and the future is now. But what is the price of perfection? Beneath the polished veneers of this utopia lies a complex, digitally orchestrated system of control. Tonight, we peel back the glass to us. Whose justice is served when the city is also a cage? Our analysis begins with control. We apply Mitchell-Foucault's concept of panopticism, the idea that the fear of being watched, even if you are not, is enough to enforce discipline. Shenzen is arguably the ultimate panopticon. The city is saturated with high-resolution cameras, all feeding into a massive integrated surveillance network. Facial recognition doesn't just catch criminals. It perpetually monitors citizens, scoring their behavior through the infamous social credit system. This is self-policing through constant visibility. It's a shift from punishment after the crime to preemptive control of potential deviants. Next, we turn to critical criminology, which views the law and criminal justice system as tools used by the powerful to maintain their economic and political dominance. Who does this efficiency serve? The city's wealth relies on the massive population of migrant workers, the floating population. While they build the glass towers, they are often excluded from full urban benefits and the first target of cleanup efforts. Deviance here can be defined not by a criminal act, but by non-contribution to the utopian economic machine, or worse, by dissent. Urban planning, too, is a form of control. Public space is managed to encourage specific controlled behavior. Any form of spontaneous assembly or political expression is swiftly identified and suppressed. The shadows of dissent are silenced by algorithmic efficiency. Who is excluded from this utopia? The politically critical, the socio-economically marginalized, and the undocumented. Those whose existence disrupt the ideal data model. The ethical tension is clear. Is absolute security worth the cost of absolute freedom? Shenzhen's model of justice is utilitarian. The greatest good for the greatest number, achieved through absolute control. It challenges our traditional understanding of justice, which insists on individuals' right, due process, and a private sphere. It affirms that, at its core, law is a mechanism for maintaining social order, but forces us to ask, is order the same as justice? How does this parallel urban governance in the Philippines? While we lack the integrated, high-tech control of Shenzhen, we share a tendency towards order over equity. Local ordinance and crackdowns on public vendors, loitering or traffic infractions, often disproportionately affect the urban poor and marginalized. Shenzhen's offer a powerful warning. As Philippine cities considered smart city technology, we must ensure these tools are not simply digitized means of exclusionary governance. The lesson is that technology amplifies intent. If the intent is to manage the poor, the technology will make it far more effective and invisible. We must prioritize an equitable, not just efficient, system of justice. Shenzhen stands a monument to human integrity and a complex question mark over our future. It has eliminated chaos but, in doing so, Has it eliminated humanity? I leave you with this thought. In building a glittering utopia, must we inevitably pave over the marginalized, or does true justice require us to see the shadows we create?